Okay, we just fed like a seagull, and now he's calling all his buddies back.
Look at them.
And they're all coming for the donuts and bread.
We gotta start feeding the birds.
Seagulls are coming, attacking us.
Look at that one right there. There's one right there. Like right at the Oh crap!
Dang! Woo! This is cool. Whoa! Seagulls are falling out of the sky.
They're attacking us. Look at this. Whoa!
This is what happens when you feed a seagull. Woo!
No idea, baby. Oh wow, they're coming.
This is what happens when you feed a seagull.
Look at that. I'm gonna wait until they fall like right under it.
If one shit comes
Oh,
This is
crap.
crazy.
Oh, Lord.
This is
Look at
crazy.
this. This is wicked.
This is crazy. This is
Yeah, you gotta feed them.
material.
Look what just came and landed over here. Look at that one.
Move your arm out. Maybe it'll land on your arm.
Drop another one before they go away.
Let's see.
Good idea.
Let's see. Oh crap! I'm like scared.
Look how fast they're going.
They're diving.
They're like,
Did you finish the donuts though?
No. Get it.
yeah, before they go away. This is crazy. When you feed a seagull, dang, more of them are coming. You see them on the beach?
It's food time. It's food
Oh yeah,
time.
they're fighting each other.
Don't let it, if somebody looks out, don't let them know who dropped it. Because we ain't supposed to throw stuff off of there.
Yeah, don't throw it down straight from our room.
Oh God.
Good job.
They're feeding the homeless. We're feeding the homeless.
What if you come up here and peck it out of my hand? Come peck it
Drop
out of my
that.
hand.
I will drop one right there and see if it comes.
Oh, let's see if it comes out.
Oh, look at that.
I'm scared when my dive in my hand. I'm scared big time.
This is like the most exciting thing we've done.
How about I just hold it over here? Let's hold it closer towards you guys. Let's hold it closer towards you guys.
Give me a piece.
I'm always closer to you. They come diving. What? What's Isaac? Isaac, what? Oh, crap. Yeah, no.
Attack of the seagulls. There's another one down there.
They're diving at their door.
He's going for it.
They're diving at their door. Oh, crap. Isaac.
Whoa.
They're diving at their door. Watch this. Look, watch. They've been diving at their door. Watch this. It's so funny. They're diving at their door. See, look, they dive at their door. Watch. It's so funny. Oh, it's caught it. Oh, crap. Oh, it's caught it.
Oh, crap.
Oh, he caught it.
Oh, the seagull is sick. Oh.
He caught it in his mouth. Oh, that's
If I would have caught that on video, that would have been awesome.
Oh, crap.
Oh, they're coming. They're coming. Oh, crap. They're coming. They're coming. Oh, crap. They're coming.
Look at this. It's so